your way to me.
Good morning, internet, and our ever-growing fan base. It's been a long time since I've been on the channel. I've been really busy with the house. I was planning on doing it. I might put some footage in later in this video when Tookie edits it, but I was going to do a walkthrough of the house because I want to hold a meet once all this is over at home. I want to do a full Daihatsu meet and fill the backyard, front yard, side yard with Daihatsus, really. Miras first and foremost. We might get Tookie's Hilux there. I want to make it like a really good meet. I want to get, probably my partner works for Young Care. We might do a fundraiser barbecue. I think it'll be really good. And today we are doing bulk mirror things. We're going to try to get some more assembly done on Matthew's, and we need to try to get the wheels to fit on mine because it's kind of getting a little bit out of hand. The car actually was really comfortable and drove really nice with the XL shocks and the stock springs, but then I cut another half a coil out to try to get the fitment I wanted, and now my lower control arms are banging the body, which is a little bit undesirable, but we'll get there. Let's get to it. So we got, this is the original glass out of the original blue L200, and that's the one, no, it's the other way around. That's the glass out of the new body. That's the old glass, which is cracked. Probably can't see it through there from the crash. So we're gonna get this in first. And here's what I've had to do here. You can see all my different marks that I've made in order to try to make it work. But essentially, you can see this line here used to be flat, so that ran all the way down. And now I've sort of come out 20, what are you doing? Get out. 25 mil. And it tapers from 25 back to 20, and then from 25 to sort of nothing. It sort of actually it's pumped all the way to there to try to get all this steel to work. I have this wing, which you haven't seen yet, but it's sheet metal, and it is just ridiculous. It looks stupid on stock wheels, but with the meshies, it actually looks really good.
Yeah, we need WD-40 now.
Well, if we were at my house, I could tell you where that is. Here.
That's actually got it pretty good organised.
Has he?
Yeah.
Because you kept telling him he was being shit. You should know where it is, Matt.
I should.
Where is it?
Oh, it's already in the car.
Oh!
There you go. This.
Oh, look how organised this guy is. What do you mean it's in? It's done. 4 drops of Sikaflex in each corner. Crisis averted.
That's all they do now, isn't it? Pretty much, but the whole way along. Why don't you just do that? Because that's not how mirrors do it. Do you want to do that side, James?
Oh, featuring James Day. He's going to get us bulk more followers and subscribers. Careful, but we don't want to show off his car. We might end up looking like a full drive bag.
Very hard.
Yeah, I've got the top. You just worry about the bottom, bro. James, can you just pull that string out? Not out, like
in.
Yeah. In.
Let's sit it down now.
Yeah, I'm letting it go. It needs to drop in that way, like probably 10 mil.
But it's, you have to like get it started. I might start it here on this edge.
So you want to go, okay.
Where I've got this.
Do you want to put pressure back on it, so then you can pull down?
Hey. I cracked this one.
What, do I look like I'm in at the bottom, Matt?
You already got a crack here, Matt.
Did you just do that? Well, you need to go your way. The whole
No,
thing.
I know. That's how I cracked the last one.
What?
Doing that? What you're
Pushing
doing
it
there.
sideways?
Yeah.
Oh, what, you cracked it? I said it was because of the crash.
No. There we go, my windscreen's in. It's got a little crack down here, but it's better than the other one. The other one went wow, straight up the center. But I'm happy with that. I'll put some super glue in it and hide it. But yeah, I haven't tightened that yet. But we'll hose it and see if it leaks. That's sick, I'm so happy with that. How good do my decals look, Liam?
I actually do really like it.
I know. And you feel pretty?
Well, this is the car, not me. Oh no!
It's working, sort of.
I don't feel pretty anymore, I feel ugly.
No, it feels pretty. Look at that. That feels pretty. Nice.
Hours later, I think I finally sorted out just the back. Haven't even finished the front yet. That's what we ended up with. It's not... Fitment does get better, but I think it's gonna be the most practical. So I've sort of cleared out some area here. I end up having to cable tie it because this mount that held this part of the bar is gone. And like, it's decent fitment. And as you go lower, it gets better. But it's the compression that I'm having issues with. But it's not bad, honestly. Once we get the fronts on, it'll all make sense. But there's the view. Just look at it. Oh, so good. And then look at this guy.
Nothing at all, man. Do you want a steering wheel?
Yeah, I've got a collection. Take it. Where did the motor go?
Huh?
Where did the motor go?
Behind the door.
Where did... Jesus Christ, that looks like at least 2 mirror motors.
I know. Bit leaky down here.
So I've noticed. How funny is the sump shape? That's a funky thing.
Well, you got to fit a dump pipe out there.
Yeah, that's true. Now, like, the TRX X bar, the J mode lip and the wing makes sense with the wheels. Before, when I had them on and no wheels, it just looked ridiculous. Whereas now it what have you got here, Matthew?
Door cards, mate.
Door cards, seats, windscreen. We've achieved a lot today on it. Look at this. Where'd you end up getting this from, Matt? This, yeah. Spotlight.
No, eBay.
Shh. Don't tell anybody. It came from deep in the hills of Japan. Don't tell anybody. Don't give away our secrets.
Does it look with the matching like foot panels? And
He's got, I believe the word you're looking for is kick panels.
kick panels.
He's got kick panels, which look like they would have taken about a year to do. Oh, look, it even goes all the way up there. God damn.
And then in the back too.
And then, I'm getting there, Matthew. He goes along here, in the back, very, very nice. And then this hood lining that, very trippy. He even managed to tuck it up, and God, he did a good job. Let's put those things in, Matt. Oh no, you want to paint them. How do you feel?
Happy.
Pop the bonnet down and let's get a look of her all sort of together. And then we just never did. And now you've just run with it. Oh, look at this boy flexing. Whee! Pink. Purple, that's purple. It looks good, but gang, 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 gang. Now, like as I was saying, he had. So this is the wheels that we bought years ago, and then now it's just escalated to gold trims, gold sticker, more gold,
And I got 24 carat. The fuck's going on here, Liam? What are you doing?
Emma told me that if I make my car low, it'll be cool, but she'd love me more. And now my damn CV's hitting my chassis.
What have you done? So what have you done? You've made a notch.
I had to notch it because this CV was hitting with you in the car.
It was. That's not good.
And now,
Look at this for a butcher job, by the way.
Don't look. Don't look.
He's butchered his coilovers. Oh.
All I had to do was retain it all. Look on the other side, I did a better job on the other side.
Alright, alright.
I retained it sort of better.
It's the same.
No, it's not. It has like 2 cable ties.
It's exactly the same.
2 cable ties. Twice. What do you mean? Every one cable tie, it's equivalent to 1 carpenter.
Alright, alright.
1 carpenter equals 1 cable tie. Yeah. Of course that, Matt. Put the nuts in. I wanted to film an outro. I didn't want you embarrassing me. Trying to take the piss out of my butchery. Now I look like the biggest hypocrite ever.
Yeah.
You tell me how I'm supposed to cut a coilover to make it work when Daihatsus aren't that low from factory. Tell me.
I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Yeah. James Day.
Oh. I don't know if you're going to pick that up on the microphone.
Probably not.
Look at that. They're on. They're on.
We think it's better now and fits.
We had to notch the
body.
Turn around. I had to notch the passenger side because I think that we were hitting the CV on the body, which sucks. But that's low Daihatsus for you, I guess.
Yep.
And I put Commodore springs in the back. I've raised it up a little bit, and it's sort of drivable, but.
Yeah, it's drivable. I put all my car together. It's like 99 or probably 95% done. I got a few things to go. But anyway, that's today's video for you.
See you in the next one.
Like, subscribe, and comment, and do all your usual stuff. Yeah, peace. See ya.